working platform including 3 basket bottom, 3 high balustrade, 3 low balustrade, 2 hoist frame, 2 hoist, 2 safety locks, 1 electric cabinet, 1 electric cable, 2 heavy hammers, suspension mechanism including 2 pieces of front support, 2 pieces of rear support, 4 pieces of adjusting bar, 2 pieces of upper support bar, 4 front and rear beams, 2 metal beams, the 2 hook screws, 2 lifting piston and connecting sleeve, 2 rear coupling sleeve, 40 pieces of counterweight, 2 limited plate, 1 safety rope, 4 rows wire rope, all bolts in 1 bag. Installation of work platform. 1. Select a relatively flat side and put the 3 cage bottoms in 1 front. Take a low balustrade and install it over the bottom of the cage against the working face. Install the bolt fixing in the middle position and then install a high balustrade piece on the other side of the cage bottom. The same bolt fixing. In the same way, insert other balustrade pieces. 2. Connect the cage bottom between the 2 adjacent cage bottom and the joint of balustrade. Install the bolt. 3. Connect the balustrade pieces and install bolts on the adjacent balustrade pieces. The installation hoist frame. Turn the side with the roller into the platform and bolt. 5. Install the safety lock, and the roller end is facing the working platform. Install the hoist, alignment bolt. 6. Install the limited switch. First, remove the 2 nuts of the safety lock. Install the formed switch on the safety lock and tighten the nut. 7. Install electric direction in each connecting line. Hang the electric control box in the middle of high blue chip and the side with the push button faces into the working platform. Insert the handle plug, motor plug, and cable plug into the socket respectively. 8. Check whether each part is installed correctly and there's any dislocation. Note the specification of bolts, length, and size of gaskets. Large washers must be used in contact with a square pipe. After confirmation, lock all bolts. Suspension installation. 1. Insert the adjusting bar into the sleeves of the triangle front support. Adjust the height of the telescopic pillar according to the height of the parallel wall. Bolted installation of the front base is complete. 2. Insert the adjusting bar into the sleeve tube of the rear support. The height of the telescopic pillar is equal to that of the former base. Install the rear support. 3. Load the front beam and the rear beam into the telescopic pillar of the front and rear base respectively. Connect the front and rear beams with the metal beams and select the overhang of the front beam and the distance between the front and rear base according to the actual situation. It usually overhangs 1.3 meters. 4. Place the upper pillar on the telescopic pillar of the front basket and fix it with bolts. The erection of the upper support is complete. 5. Install the hanging front sleeve, rear coupling sleeve, and ring hook screws in turn. Through the strengthened rope to the roller of hanging front sleeve, use the steel grip to fix. Then through the roller of upper column and rear sleeve, the end to hang on the ring hook screws. With wire rope grip fixed, adjust the screw of the ring hook screws to tighten the strengthened rope. 6. The hoisting wire rope and safety wire rope are respectively fixed on the front beam frontal hanging plate, bypass the steel timbals, and fixed with wire rope grip. 7. Install the limit place at the appropriate place of safety wire rope. 8. Installation and counterweight. Each piece is 25 kilograms. Each set is equipped with 40 pieces. 9. The hanging mechanism on the other side should be installed as in previous example. 9. In addition, some projects are unable to use ordinary suspension mechanisms. due to the special structural design. At this point, users can use the parapet clamp and tripod to replace.